How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Bring you along for the installation of some of our parts. I know the last couple of videos you've seen us take the seat out on both videos, so we're not going to bore you with that one today. But we're going to install some harnesses on Sheris. I already got mine installed. See, we have the seat out. So what you're going to need to do is unplug this from your driver's seat for the seat belt, and then you'll unplug or unbolt this off the bottom of your seat, and we're going to remove this. There's a bolt here, it's 18 millimeter. There's a bolt down here, it's an 18 millimeter, and it goes through the underside of your fender. And then you're going to remove this so you can access the bolt. And these are the harnesses that we're going to put in. They're the Can-Am retractable harnesses. And we got the one that already comes with, so we didn't have to wire our own or buy that separate. And bring you around here and show you the kids. We got the Pro Armor straps for them. They're the stationary ones. They're not retractable. I think they're probably a lot safer than the retractable ones, so we opted for those for the kids. Actually, my parents got them for Christmas. So we got them put in. I'll show you some else. Some other stuff that we're going to put on the machine while we're doing the video, just to show you guys, keep you up to date with what we're doing. We have a fire extinguisher and a fire extinguisher mount, and this is from DirtBag Brands. Get a close up there, you guys can check them out.
I think their website's over here.
There's our website on here. There you go. There's our website, dirtbagbrands.com. They have some really nice stuff. We also have the switch panel from them. Actually, here. I'll open this switch panel up for you guys. We won't be installing this one on the video. This one's a little bit more involved than the fire extinguisher mount. I'll show you guys what it looks like while I'm in here. If I can get it open. There it is. There's the junction box. It's a pretty sweet setup. Comes with everything you could think of. 60 amp fuse block, hardware, all the wiring. Here's the actual switch panel, and it comes with the stickers that you can put on here depending on what you want to run. Where are the stickers? Here's the mounting bracket down in there. Here they are. Here's all the stickers depending on which one you want to run. Fan, floodlights, and you just put them on there. This is a pretty sweet setup. Have all your switches in one spot. You guys can check that out. And we also got a dirt bike stand for them for my dirt bike. Sherry can show you that. But right now we're going to get started on the 4-point harness. We'll get that put on there. We'll show you guys that in case you need to know how to do it, and should be good. Shouldn't be too long of a video, so stick around and we'll get started. Grab that, and I'll go underneath. Show them where the bolt is under here. Right there.
Ready?
Nope. I am not. Okay. All right. Okay. There's a seat belt.
Did you pick up the net?
I did. Alright, so right here is where your retractable harnesses are going to go. It's a really simple setup. It already comes with the hardware, which is right here. These are going to go on your seat belt to your seat. And then the nuts are going to go up there. That's going to slide up in those brackets I showed you. So I'm going to need all my hands to help hold. So we're going to get that in there and then we'll come back and show you. Alright, now they're in. Get these snugged up. And I'm sure there's probably a torque spec, and before we're finished we'll look it up to make sure what the torque's supposed to be. And then unhook these two, and then we'll run this in through the seat, and this will get bolted on one side of the seat, this will get bolted on the other side of the seat, and this will get plugged in for your safety for your seat belt. So we're gonna get the seat over here. It's a very simple process to put these in, and then obviously we'll take them out. So we'll get the seat over here and we'll be back. Alright, so we have the seat just sitting in here. We fished the straps of the harness through and pushed them down through the seat there. I'm going to lift this up. Sherry's going to bolt that side in. And this hardware is already supplied. Can-Am sends it to you. The Pro Armor ones we got didn't come with any hardware. We had to get our own.
That's better. Maybe.
Alright, we got the other side bolted in. We're going to take this side, fish it down through the seat, and it gets bolted right here with the supply bolt. Sherry, can you get me that? And again, check the torque specs on that. We'll have to check all them. And we'll set the seat in, and we'll be back to show you some other stuff. Alright, seat's in. Everything's bolted down. Just wanted to show you these. Take them off. Not that that's very important, but I just wanted to show you. We're going to put this cover back on, your torque spit. There you have it, guys. There's the finished product. I used mine on our last ride. They're awesome. So comfortable. Night and day difference from the lap belt.
Okay.
I see a kid peeking.
Hey.
What do you want?
Can we go up? Yeah, can we slide up there?
Yeah.
Paps.
Yeah, good.
Hi.
Alright. You want to sit in there and show them?
I think my seat's a little far forward right now. I never adjusted them before I do it.
Perfect.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, that wraps it up for the harness install. We're going to open up the DirtBag Brands fire extinguisher mount, and we're going to work on that. I think we're going to put it on Sheris X3 also. So
And we're gonna do my speaker.
oh yeah, we're going to move her speaker. So right now her speaker is above her head, and when you hit a really good bump, you have a tendency with a helmet on to come up and kind of hit that. So if we would happen to have a rollover, there's a chance her head could go up and hit that and possibly hurt her neck. So we're going to move it from up here to back here behind. With the X3, you can't see out of the back anyway. So we're just going to put it behind her head. That way there's no instance to where she could scooch up and hit her head off of it. So we'll be back and we'll get the fire extinguisher mount unboxed and we'll show you guys that. Yeah, we got the speaker moved from above the or from on the roof there, so you can see she has a lot more headroom. Won't be able to use the mirror anymore, but as you guys know, these things are already hard to see out of, so not too big of an issue.
Review cameras.
Sherry, you want to go ahead and grab this camera and I'll open this up for everyone? I'll put the link to DirtBag brand stuff in the description in case you guys want to check it out. There's a fire extinguisher and a mount. I imagine that probably goes around a rule bar or something. I'll have to look at the instructions. Some Loctite, quick disconnect pin, mount, picture of what it's going to look like. Hardware. And the clamps, I'm assuming these clamps will go around the fire extinguisher, and then these will go around the roll bar. So we're going to get this thing put together, we're going to bolt it all up, and then we'll put it on the machine. So we'll be back here in a minute. Alright, you guys can see they give you this little tether and it goes on your quick release pin here that you use so it doesn't get lost, and it goes in here. And then we got this where we wanted it, and we're going to tighten these up, and as soon as we get this tightened up, we'll come back and we'll show you how the fire extinguisher gets bolted up. Alright, we got this mounted on, got it all bolted up. we have this bolted on here. As you can see, that top piece is like a half moon shape, and down here is a circle. So let's see if I can bring around here. You can see that this piece goes in that half moon. I'll have Sherry film it so you guys can see. It goes in here, and then it locks in with your pin, and just like that, it's in there. And then quick release, you just pull this pin, and then this comes out. So pretty handy. Hopefully we never need to use it, but it's pretty cool. It's really nice, really well built. So if you're in the market for one, check them out. I'll put their link down in there so you can check out all their stuff. And that pretty much sums up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Kind of keeps you guys up to date with the things that we're doing to our machines and everything. So if you like these kind of videos, let us know. We'll keep doing them. If not, let us know too. That way we know what you guys like, what you don't like. So we'll see you on the next video, guys.